The key to figuring out the oxidation number of an element in a compound is understanding how to use the periodic table. In this case, a key is provided to indicate where to find the oxidation numbers of the elements. Notice that elements in group 1 and 2 have only one oxidation number. So, in a compound like sodium chloride, the oxidation number for sodium, Na, which is a group 1 element, can only be +1. But chloride is a halogen from group 17. Most of these elements have multiple oxidation numbers. Here, chlorine has 4 possible oxidation states. To figure out which one to use for chloride in this compound, remember that for a stable compound, the oxidation numbers must cancel out. In this case, X will represent the oxidation state of chloride. Now solve for X, where +1 plus X equals 0, and X will equal -1. So simply write -1 as the oxidation number for chloride. Remember, any element that has just one oxidation number should always be the starting point. Fluorine is the only halogen with one oxidation number, and oxygen is another element, according to this periodic table, that has just one oxidation state. For sulfur trioxide, SO3, the starting point should be oxygen. According to this periodic table, oxygen can only have a -2 oxidation state. But sulfur has 3 possible oxidation states. So let sulfur's oxidation state be X and set the sum equal to 0. Where X plus 3 times -2, because there are 3 oxygens in the compound, will equal 0. And X plus -6 will equal to 0. So X will equal +6. So in this case, the oxidation number for sulfur will be +6. Because sulfur will have a +6 oxidation state in this compound, the stock name will be sulfur 6 oxide. Now for sodium chromate and sodium dichromate. For sodium chromate and sodium dichromate, Na2CrO4 and Na2Cr2O7 respectively, the starting point should be the sodium and the oxygen, where both elements have only one oxidation number. In this case, chromium may have one of 3 different oxidation numbers: +2, plus 3, and plus 6. First, write the known oxidation states, where sodium will be plus 1 and oxygen will be minus 2. Now solve for x. 2 times plus 1 plus x plus 4 times minus 2 is equal to 0. And plus 2 plus x plus minus 8 is equal to 0. Remember, there are 4 oxygens in this compound. X plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So the oxidation state for chromium in this compound will be plus 6. Now for sodium dichromate. First, write the known oxidation states, where again sodium will be plus 1 and oxygen will be minus 2. Now solve for x. 2 times plus 1 plus 2x plus 7 times minus 2 is equal to 0. And plus 2 plus 2x plus minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x plus minus 12 is equal to 0. And 2x is equal to plus 12. Solving for x, x is equal to plus 6. After solving for x, the oxidation number for chromium in both compounds will be plus 6.